Good morning guys, welcome to Motovlog number 35. I am on my way to Ambience Toll Gurgaon. Today's ride plan, we are planning to ride to Manesar Toll, take a U-turn and head to Gurgaon Faridabad Road GFR. I'm riding my Ducati Diavel today. Breakfast plan is there's a store called Talk Rides. They've opened a new shop at Throttle Shrottle, which is on the GFR road. So we'll be heading there once we're done with the ride. That's the plan for today. I shall be at the meeting point another 5 to 10 minutes and we'll catch you guys once I'm there. I've reached Ambience Toll. Where is everybody? Oh yeah, there they are. क्या हाल है मुकुल, how are you? सच कल सर क्या हाल है? ठीक बिल्कुल ठीक सर. Morning sir, how are you? Morning sir. How are you sir?
तू कैसे टाइम पे आ गया?
हाँ मैं आ गया. बहुत देर हो गई सर. How are you sir? How are you? सच कल sir?
All well?
Very well. Hi, those guys were riding very rash. Huh? The guys who were overtaking us, they were going all over the place. Yeah. I know, better take it easy. Yeah. Kya hai Amit? Bikeratti. He backed out in the morning.
So he was coming?
Yeah, he was coming, he confirmed. In fact, Gaurav Abroal said even he's coming. I don't know where he is.
Where is he?
I have no idea.
He's been Abroal for I don't know how long now, yaar.
He said he'd be coming. I don't know where he is. I'm going to look for an Allen key because my left side review mirror has become loose. This has become loose. No, don't move it, otherwise it'll fail. Otherwise you tighten it. Parkul hai, मैं एक बार tight करना. Thank you. He has it.
अभी आते हो गया होगा.
यार वो the guard was taking off the cover in the morning.
अच्छा वो हिला दिया उसने.
नहीं उसने वो when he took off the cover, his elbow hit. वो पूरा पीछे हो गया, जो ढीला हो गया था. Thank you sir, thank you. Thank you sir, thank you जी. क्या हाल है जोएब? क्या हाल है? सच कल sir, how are you? Long time. बड़े चिर बाद आए हो. Left review mirror got loose. Just borrowed the Allen key. You know what the place is, na? It's a rent a bike store.
He was in God's earlier, the guy.
He was? I don't know. GFR नहीं करे तो क्या करेंगे?
GFR नहीं करते हैं. इधर से चलते हैं KNP वाला रूट. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. KNP से उल्टा मार जाते हैं. What a change man, let's do GFR. GFR is not a ride यार. Why is it not right? Because it's not a good road. Stupid. Why can't we do Manesar से आगे? Why don't you do that? It's not a ride yaar. So we're going to catch you at the new Throttle Shrottle. The new Throttle Shrottle. Where is it?
Alpinestars, they're insulated, so they're nice and warm. They're insulated, so they're very warm. In fact, they get a little too warm now.
You got them online or?
Yeah, online.
How do you make out the very size? I got it once. The whole thing very had to.
I stick to a brand. I started buying gear 15 years ago, and I've stuck to those brands. Helmet, HJC, gear, Alpinestars. That's it. Nothing else.
When I was in Singapore, में इतना beautiful modeler helmet देखा HJC का. I wanted to also pick it up, but
yeah.
I already have 3-4 of them. Unnecessarily collecting so many of them.
Yep.
बहुत ही अच्छा था वो.
Yeah. HJC makes good modular helmets. Yeah.
It's quiet.
Correct. Very quiet. I have a few. Very nice, and they've got those metal ratchets.
Huh?
No, the modular helmets in HJC, they come with metal ratchets, so they're very nice and solid.
When you were just close, you were also just on the right, yeah? You overtook me.
Yeah, I was on the Ducati. Yeah.
It's over there.
With the goons, yeah, I know. No, one of the guys nearly brushed me, guy on the 10R. So we typically got a little upset, so either I'll catch up with him, then I saw you, so then I kind of slowed down. I recognized your bike, so I knew it was you, so.
Yeah, I saw them overtaking the.
Yeah. No, those guys were going all over the place. Yeah. Coming from Ambient Stall, heading towards Manesar, and then we'll go to GFR. Reached the Manesar toll. Oh, I think we're supposed to take a U-turn from here. Yep. Hi, how are you? Very well there.
थोड़ी देर के लिए साइड से व्हेन यू फ्लाई बाय ना मैंने किया ना, मेरे को ऐसा लगा हार्ले में इतनी पावर कहाँ से आ गई थोड़ी देर के लिए. Then I realized it's a
And especially when you overtake on the right, then I don't know if you're going to overtake on the left, which you did. So you know the way I ride. I go left, right. Right. But you are not going to clash if you overtake me. Don't do that.
Point. He's right.
He rides very well. Kabhi.
It happens. It happens. Umar ke saath hota hai. Moving now from Manesar toll on our way to GFR. Let me overtake everyone and try get everybody in the frame. In front of me, Sabhi, Anuj is ahead. I think Raman got a firing from Anuj, so he's kind of slowed down and taking it easy. Usually Anuj and Raman are the ones who are leading. But now entering the Gurgaon-Faridabad road. This is where it all begins. I'm coming on the GFR after, I think last I came was just before COVID hit. Back in 2020. This is not one of my favorite routes because it's too short a ride, and late in the day, like right now, it's about 8:30. Traffic builds up, so it's okay. It's not as fun as the other roads are. But if you come earlier in the morning when there's less traffic, they've got you go through the hilly section. So you got nice twisties and stuff. It just gives you a hill station feel. Oh yeah, now that I see the cyclists, I'm reminded that there are a lot of cyclists who come on this route. We've got Raman back. So we've reached the GFR toll. This is usually where half of the group takes a U-turn and heads back, and the other half carry on till where the Hanuman Murti is. Everybody's trying to go up to Hanuman Murti. We've got plenty of time today. Oh, it's only 8:40, so that's the plan. It's a big group today. We've got quite a few people. If you can see, but that's the Hanuman Murti. You get a better view now. There it is. Awesome. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a U-turn from another 100 meters up ahead, and I think that's where we'll when we head back bang opposite the statue, we'll wait for the entire group to get together, collect, and then move on.
चल रही है बाइक यार?
So far so good.
Enjoying it?
Oh, loving it. I've been postponing the Goldwing.
But have you got used to the grunt and the noise and everything?
Yeah. In fact, I like that.
Okay.
I enjoy that. So I'm thinking of cancelling the Goldwing also.
Yeah, so you don't have to get it.
I don't want to. Yeah.
If you're enjoying this, use this.
Yeah, exactly.
10 मीटर जाना यार PUC कराने के लिए इसका.
अच्छा, बाइक.
Every time getting messages ना.
हाँ.
PUC इसका expire हो गया है.
अच्छा, okay.
You're going to go back by MG road now?
Yep.
You're going to take the other route?
No, MG road. But Demi, aren't you coming for breakfast? You're not going for breaky?
Yeah, I'm going for breaky.
But I'll take MG road back.
Because I have to do the pump on MG road next to Andheriya Mode, yaar.
Yeah. No, I'll be going MG road only. Yeah. So we're done with a little stop at the Hanuman Murthy, and now we're heading to Throttle Shrottle Talk Rides to check out the new store. So we are back at the GFR toll on the opposite side. On the way back, we've regrouped with the entire group, and now we're heading to Throttle Shrottle for Talk Rides opening. We're almost at Throttle Shrottle now. So we're at Throttle Shrottle now. Most of the group is left, few of us are here. Just started having breaky and cold coffee. So guys, we're done with our breakfast at Throttle Shrottle. We are on our way back on the GFR. I should be heading back home via MG Road. It was a good breakfast. Nice catching up with everybody after a long time. It's getting really warm. It's 10:45 right now, and it's already quite warm. Summer's almost in now. We've definitely hit spring. Seems like this year's going to be a really long summer. The way the temperature is going and the way the weather pattern is. In any case, whatever it is, we shall face it as it comes. I'll catch you guys next weekend. Till then, take care. Have a good week. Ciao.